Hey guys, another quick Divi tutorial, and in this video we will be covering different ways to copy style from a module to another. So there's different ways to do it, and we'll cover the basic way, which is individually copy pasting module styles to another. You just basically need to click this gray one if you want to target the module. However, you can also target the row if you want to, column, yeah, row rather, if you want to. But yeah, to copy paste it, you can just click this three dots in here. So basically the goal, if you want this to be, this settings in here to be changed or to be copied on this module, so you click these three dots and you click the copy module styles and you click the paste module styles. Okay, now what I want is I wanted this modules to be maybe 200 pixels by 200 pixels. So what I'm gonna do, and I want it to copy and all of the like elements in here without changing the colors, because I want the how the colors is laid out, because like this settings in here that most people use called extend blurred styles is it's basically copy everything, all of the like how the styles look. So these blurbs in here will be turned into red. So if you do that, click extend, I see that it turns into red, and I don't want that to be happen. I just want to update the width. I just want to copy the width and the height of this blurb without changing the color. So how you can do that? So simply click this gear icon, go into the design, and here for the sizing, let's say, because currently it is set to 400 pixel. So what you can do is I'm gonna turn that into maybe 200. Yeah, I think, yeah, 300 is fine for me. So 300, and then we'll click these three dots in here, and I'm gonna click in the extend width. So I want it to be 300 pixel in all of the blurbs, okay? All of the blurbs, and we'll click extend. So if you notice, all of the blurbs modules is changed to 300 pixel without changing the color, okay? Now we'll jump in again to the another sizing, which is the height, and I'm going to change it to 300 again. And then click this extend, click the extend height, and I want it to be updated. Actually, I just want this to be affected on a row. So click extend and then update. Okay, and then you'll see here like there is a spacing issue. So I want to remove the spacing there. So design spacing, because there is like, I'm wondering, oh, there is a 80% padding. That's why this name over here is overlapping the other columns. So what you can do again is I'm going to change this one to just 400. Actually, let me just remove that one. Oh, I see. It moves at the top, so maybe I can make it 100 pixel. Yeah, 100 pixel, and again, I want this to extend the padding to 100 pixel, and all of the blurbs just for this row. Okay, and then there's like a white spacing in there. So what I'm gonna do is this columns in here, I want them to be all. So I want this to be, we can change the size, I think. Okay, we cannot change the size, but on the row, I can adjust the sizing in here, because the height that we choose in is, I can make it 1000 pixel or 1200 pixel, because it's, let me just count this one, 3, 6, 9, 1250. I can make that 1500 pixel, and then the height is 100%. So yeah, that's how it's super easy to do it versus on manually, pasting the columns. And if you always use this styling for your different pages, you can also save it as a global um, library. So that can be done by clicking this gear icon there, this one, or you can also target um, the section if you want to this area to be added as well. But if you want just this, this style, this bar styles, then just click this green one, click these down arrow, and then you name that one. So block modules, rainbow color, and then save to cloud. This will make you, like, Divi has its own like server, kind of like CDN, to make your website faster. So if you want if you want to open on that feature in DV, I think you need to subscribe to their monthly yeah, monthly or yearly plan. I haven't checked it yet, but it's kind of similar with a CDN. So save as global, and I wanted to put in on my module 2022, and then tags, which is a module or something. I can just put that blurb. Okay, and saved. And as always, if you don't want, so global modules, by the way, when you are saving styles into our global modules, every time you did changes to that global modules, it will affect as well on other pages. So if you don't want that to be happened, then you can switch that over to like a default module, which is disable. You just need to disable. There's no name for that, but if you don't want to be globally styled, then you can just disable the global option. So yeah, um save it. And again, if you want this to be pulled, like the save options that you created, you want it to pull, simply click this plus icon, go into the library, and remember the name that you put in, which is the block module, and then use. And it's easy for you to add in, add in stuffed. So that's how it works. Again, if you have any question, don't forget to comment down below. You can also send me a message on my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll try my best to answer it as fast as possible. And then, yeah, thumbs up, comment down if you have some questions or feedback that you want me to cover on my next video. Thank you and have a great day. Ciao.